Hey yo web traveler, look at this gorgeous pack of promo packs. Today we are opening 73 promo packs. Just look how thick they are together. I've done already one opening video of the promo packs and it wasn't even close compared to how much I do have now. And you may ask, tcgcomrade, but how did you get so many? I've been saving them for about a year. And I order almost every box from the same seller, where I can use my code tcgcomrade to get an extra promo pack added to my order. So yeah, it adds up in 1 year of ordering Guided Story. So the links will be in the video description, because I know anyway you guys would ask where I buy my Guided Stories. So yeah, the links will be there, and after ordering you can message him the code tcgcomrade to let him know that you came from me, so he will add an extra promo pack to your order. Alright, without any more words, let's just start opening them. I don't know how it will go, how many doubles I will get, because obviously you can't tell from this look from which set the promo cards are. And I got them, well, in 1 year at a time, so there will be different sets. And if you don't know, each Guided Story set that comes out has an own promo pack collection, mostly about 10-12 cards maybe, that you can only get in the promo pack. And that's the first one, and I have wipes that is the Genshin Impact. Well, I can't read the back, so I can't be for sure. Also, if you hear weird noises at the background, my neighbors are building like a whole palace in their apartment right now, so sometimes they're noisy. Alright, another promo card, and it's fucking Pretty Derby, alright. I've seen the name before, but I just can't remember what is this about, so yeah, alright. The name has been like noisy for almost 2 weeks, which I can understand, but I just couldn't record anything for 2 weeks, and that is annoying. Strong packaging. Who the fuck are you and what are you selling? It's a maid cafe at the background, we can see that. Welcome back, my master. Shit, man. I also have again the wipes of Genshin Impact. Maybe it is Genshin Impact, let me know in the comments. Man, they're opening like ass, I hate it. Also, because it's only one card in there, I am scared to damage it. Goto Hitari playing the guitar. She looks rather nervous, so maybe it's not going that well. Who knows? Ah man, the first double, really? Really? Already? I've opened like what? Only 5 out of 73, by the way. Please leave a like, because it took me a whole year to, you know, get that amount of promo packs for you guys to make an epic opening. Don't tell me that this would be the same. No, it's not. Okay. Imagine 3 in a row. Damn, I hope the wind is not that strong and the sound recording, but it probably is. What the fuck, man? I mean, I also... Oh my god, no. No, what is this? Okay, I also wanted to say sometimes I bought like 3 promo packs just loose when I ordered the box, and then I got like 2 extra with the boxes, and I think when I bought this shit all at the same time, it came from all the same set. Ooh, what the fuck? This looks already very Whoa, what the hell? That's not even Guided Story, mate. What is this, or is it? I don't even know what anime that is, but it looks nice. Not, you know, the duplicate, which I'm gonna get right now again. Is it? No, it's not. Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you so much. She's enjoying cupcakes. I mean, at this rate, I'm probably gonna complete this set, because, yep, another double. Let's go. Okay, sure, that sucks. Alright. Is this another double yet again? I think so, right? That's this chick. Yup, that's another double. I'm gonna take a bunch from other side, so they will be probably different, because it came from other time. Alright, a wedding dress. Cute chick. That's Fate? What the hell, man? I couldn't recognize it as a Fate character, not in my lifetime. Next one, maybe, oh, that would be epic to get like Rin Toxica. There are a few Rin Toxica promo cards, which is just like impossible to get, I mean, from this packaging, because you just wouldn't know from which set you got the promo stuff. So yeah, getting one of Rin Toxicas would be pretty amazing achievement, especially for me. Also, how many freaking promo doubles would I be able to get? All right, that's the new one, right? That's the new one. Yes, that's the new one. At least we are slowly but surely completing the set. That's Fate, right? It is. She loves me, and that's... I think it's Fate? It's Fate. There you go. That's awesome. So maybe Rin Toxica isn't just a dream. But right now, we are continuing with the theme of love. What do we have? That's not the double, which is cool. But I don't know who that is. Kaguya! Awesome! Promo card, let's go! So I'm getting very hyped for the characters that I know. Because like I said, to get a specific promo card is from a specific set is very difficult. Just like true gambling in its core. You obviously, goddammit, can get a double. But also you can like purchase the card from someone. But where's the hype in that? And we have an Kaguya again. I'm not so hyped because I already have this one. I have a feeling I saw you somewhere, but I don't know if it's... I don't think it is in this opening. So that's also a new one. All right. I think so. I'm making a big mess on the table, so I can tell. Oh my god. What is wrong with this packaging? Hey, that's Ram right there. Jesus, man. She didn't want to come out. Jojo, shut the fuck up. Also, you probably can hear my neighbor, like, doing shit. Very noisy opening. What do we have here? I recognize the eye, but I don't think I saw the anime. A love team continues. Come on. Yes, very good. Well, yes, I've seen this character, and I have no clue where. What fuck? Hey Jojo, what's up? You wanna see? No, not on the keyboard, mate. You're gonna do some shit. Here, evidence of my cat on the table. What do we want? Do we want cat? Okay, he's gone. All right. Okay, we got something very special because this is a promo set that only I believe my seller like did it for himself specifically. Which is kind of rare. I haven't seen that done by other sellers. A double or not? I think not. I don't know. The love team continues. It's not a double. Oh yeah. All right. That's. I mean, with that many promo packs, it should have happened. Happy Valentine's Day. Well, I figured there was a team around Got a Story for Valentine's Day. So that's kind of neat, I guess. I think we are half through, probably, with like seeing how much cards are lying on the table. And we have another double. Yeah, that's her. All right. Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah, I did it. I pulled at least one of, I mean, so many. There's like a few of them actually, but I don't have this one, and that's a promo Rin Toxica. Let's go. It's so freaking awesome. Which set is that? 2M04. So that's also kind of old one. Yeah, man. Jojo is cheering me on, I believe. Hey, Dragon Maid, let's go. That's what I'm talking about, mate. We're getting there. We're getting the characters that I know and love. Very cool art, man. Who do we have here? Another double. Yes, we started with you, so I remember you. But I don't mind another double for now, as long as this one isn't a double. But I think it is. Yes, it is. So now it's really annoying. What the fuck? Whoa, what? Dude. Sekiro? That's a game, my man. Which set? Dude, that's an old set. 2M02? That's very difficult to get, actually, like the old sets. Because the most recent set, you have the most like chance to getting the promo pack of that one. But the more older the set, the least chance you have to get it. That's Necopar or something? Yeah, it is. Awesome. Never played it. I believe that's a game, right? Maybe there's anime. Wait, is this also? It's also, yeah, that's the gaming set, which went like off the shelves very fast. I have an opening of that set, so the video will be in the somewhere. You can watch that. It was a very cool set, and I'm very depressed that it's like not reprinting or something, because there were very awesome cards in there. And also the only one of God the Story, the only set I mean, that they did for a team around also gaming. They haven't done much of the teams. They have like separate God the Story, Fate Grand Order box, and then this gaming box, and that's it. The rest is just like all the random characters, at least as far as I know. Dude, that looks awesome. So there's very much difference from the old promo packs, and I think this is a new promo pack card, because it doesn't have a lot of like characteristics of the God the Story, but it really feels different and also really promo, because these promo packs look exactly as SSR cards and God the Story, which is alright, it doesn't matter, because I mean you only can obtain them through this packaging, so they stay special, but they don't look that special, right? But this looks special. This looks like a double. It is. God damn it. Which set is that I'm getting a lot of? 2M10. That's not even that recent, right? Yep, another double. That's very sad. Okay. Come on, mate. How much doubles? How many, I mean, can I get? Oh, Muse Dash. That's awesome. That would be also the gaming set. All right, that's cool. I'm glad I get those, because that's, yeah, I think it's kind of rare to get cards from this set. What is this? That's not from God the Story. Interesting. That's Cherry Blossom Kiss. What? It's a 3D? Or how the fuck you call this? God damn. Whoa, that's a very... Thank you, Cherry Blossom Kiss. That's a good one. Sheesh. Damn. Okay, haven't expected to get that special promo card, but it was very awesome. Damn, son. Ah, man, a double. How to ruin the mood. It hurts. It hurts so much. Please, no more. It's the special promo cards from the seller. Yeah, okay. Oh man, okay, it feels very special, not gonna lie. What the fuck is this? I love it. Fucking Luffy. Another double, because I don't have enough of them. And is this a double? Yep, it is a double. I'm not even gonna show you. What is this? That's... What the fuck? It's again not from the God the Story, right? It is. No, it is from God the Story. So that logo is God the Story, right? So that one weird card was God the Story. Because look, we have another weird card. And a Halloween promo card. That's interesting. Yeah, what's up with that? Why don't you give us like a Halloween box or something? Alright, another... No way! I didn't even know they have that! No way! I pulled something I even didn't know. I could have pulled 2 waifus in this opening. I thought maybe if one would be pulled, it would be amazing, but 2? Can't imagine this card, another double. This card isn't hard to come by, because like, good luck with searching for a specific promo card. Like, not buying it loose, because... Although maybe buying it loose also is kind of rare, because somebody needs to have that and wanting to sell it. So yeah, okay, please don't be another double. You're devastating me right now, emotionally. It is another double. God damn it, mate. This also feels the same, yup. I mean, I'm happy with the results that I got, but holy shit, the amount of doubles is strong. I mean, that's also like the risk of buying promo packs, because they will be just giving you the ones they have at the top of their like inventory. Okay, another double. Well, sure, come on, mate. Can't you show me something new? That's another double. Alrighty, come on. Again, we have like 10 left, please. Oh my god, I don't even... There we go, that's a double. Is this... Yup, that's a double. Oh god. Please be a double. Yes, because I might have damaged the card a little bit. It flew out. I aim at damaged it way more. Yup, I definitely damaged this one. Look. Kinda sad. But considering I have like 10 of them, it's not that sad. Not a double. Man, I don't think I will get a new one. Is this a double? Yup, that's a double. Is this a double? Let's see at her face. It is a double. It started so good. Kind of. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, it's kind of sad, not gonna lie, because getting, as I said, getting prom packs from this set is kind of rare, at least I think so. Maybe I have them only because it's like from a year ago or even more of that. And then I get the double. Hey, oh boy! Let's go! That's the same set and that's The Last of Us. Fucking amazing, let's go. Okay, 3 cards left. I pray to gods there's no doubles in this one. I honestly don't know if I already have this one or not. Because I remember a set of promo cards that has like a lot of this horoscope shit. Another Spy Family, that's awesome. It's a little bit bent, but that's not like the main issue. Okay, the last one. Which is not a double. Alright, from which set is it actually? Okay, 2MR4, so that's also a kind of old one. So that was 73 promo cards. Thank you, legends, for watching till the end. If you want to support me, you can always leave a like, comment and subscribe to see more. If you want some promo packs and you want to buy the boxes, go to the video description, there will be links. On that note, I want to peace out, motherfucker.